YT. Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a statement box. Y'all put this order in and this box came super quick. A lot different than the last time I ordered from them. This box made it here in like 3-4 days. This is $1,000 box, so it was like $1,020 for the shipping. A little awkward. I know the shoes are normally on the left side of me, so this feels a little awkward. I'm trying to redo the man cave here at the crib, so bear with me. We're gonna try to get through this box though, man. I hope you guys like that last video, last box. That Soul Supremacy one. Statement they don't miss hardly either, man. They make some pretty good boxes. They're more of a quality over quantity. You can probably see the size difference in the box. We got okay, we got 5 pair in this box. The order form. So I throw all this stuff down, took the desk out of here. I'm redoing this whole room, flooring and everything. Hopefully have it done by like late November by the time I get done doing it. YEEZY Boost 350, 9.5, good old brown box. Man, I swear this is awkward. I'm normally on the other side. All right, we got the, I've never had this pair before. These are 9.5. Check these out. I don't know the nickname to them. I know I'll probably have all this stuff down below. 9.5. Let me scoot up. What's going on here? Check them out, man. Real good shape. Not a bad colorway. I've never had these in person. They got the nickname on here, but I can't even pronounce it, so I'm not even gonna try to. I'll just type that in for y'all down below. That's one down, 4 to go. Statement. They got their own box, so like whenever they do replacement boxes, that's what you're getting. Win like 96, size 9, according to the box. One of my favorite 11s. Not an OG colorway, but these are clean, super clean. I bet you MJ himself would approve these. Some of these colorways is dropping. I don't even think Michael Jordan like. But these are here tough. All red, clean. 11. We'll hit a black on there. Win like 96. Show y'all the bottom. Check out the bottom on these. Seem to be very, very clean. Unfortunately, no original box, but I'm not even tripping. Good shoe, good condition, and a good size. All right. You guys can already tell what these are just from the box. Size 8.5, the Jubilees. So one thing I learned about statement boxes, or from the company or whatever, from the last one I did, they put actually how many times the shoe was worn and all of that stuff. This ring light probably blasting it out, but it tell you right on the box, use worn once. So these were supposed to be only worn once. Size 8.5. Jubilees. Supposedly worn once. And they look like they're telling the truth, but these, from just looking at them, you would think they were dead stock. Very, very clean. Jubilees, I don't have to show you guys too many. These would pass for dead stock. These are very, very clean. These are size 8.5. I got a size 9 here too, but those are for sure dead stock. I'm just holding on to them. I might end up holding them for a while just to see if the price go up over the years. I got a bunch of shoes I'll just be holding, see if the value goes up. Travis Scott's and all kind of stuff in the vault. I got a one box down there. I'm gonna save. Got another statement box. Okay, metallic reds. I have never had this shoe. These are size 12 according to the box. Worn one time also. This box is fire. Everything I'm pulling out is dope. Everything I'm pulling out is dope. 5 pair. So far, 4 out of the 5 are just hitters. Look at this. These aren't like a $600 pair of breads or anything like that. But this is a Very, very clean one. OG Nike Air on the tongue. Dope. Size 12, good size. I got a couple homies that wear size 12. So those probably go quick. All this stuff will probably move quick. Low key, I got two pair of ones, 2 pair of 11s, and some Yeezys. That's box gonna move fast. Man, I'm in shock. I've never had these before. Been wanting them in my size. These are not my size. These are a 9.5. You already know what they are. The dark mocha ones. Fire. Not dead stock. Worn one time according to the box. Every star is still on the bottom. Yeah. This is one of my best $1,000 boxes that I've had all year probably. The quality is there. Not a lot of shoes to move. Everything's gonna move quick. If you are watching this video and you see something, hit me up on Instagram or just email me directly, TGOTSOLE@gmail.com. You hit me up on Twitter. But most of y'all already know to follow me at on Instagram at TGOTSOLE or at TGOTSOLE for sale. Just DM me right after the video go up if you see something. I give y'all a couple of days before I start posting on the actual Instagram page. Everything that's still left goes up on that page. But give you guys a chance first, all the subscribers. Size 9.5 mocha. If this was a 10.5, these wouldn't even be going anywhere. If you have a 10.5 and you need a 9, no, I'm just playing. Man, I appreciate it. Each and every one of you guys stopping through to watch the video. This was a fire box. They even came through. Quick shipping. The box was dope. No complaints on this end. We got a Soul Supremacy box coming in. I got a big Soul. It's like a $1,600 box coming in from Soul. That one should be coming in, I think, in a few days. I don't know when this video is gonna go out. Between doing this room, renovating this room, and trying to keep these shoes and stuff going, it's a lot of work. But we're gonna get it cracking. We're gonna get it going. Again, thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you follow me everywhere. Make sure you like the video, all that cool stuff. I'm out. Peace.